Ito po ang aming ano kayang mas maganda. Okay, let's see. Ito pa siya. Twin cooling down. And then, may ice maker. Tapos, let's find the fridge. Freezer pala. Okay na. Yeah, but this one is more expensive. Oh, 2.8. 2.8.
2.8.
Yeah.
Siya lang pala na ay.
Oh, top bill. Oh. Galing siya. 3,999. OMG. Ano ba yan? Exit. Ay, naku po.
Medsa, ngamit ito na ang
Share photos daw ba? Ano ba yan? Lagay natin yung YouTube dito. Ano ba? Maganda siya, oh. Share photos. Family board. Uy, may family board. Pwede ka magsulat. Naku po, Maria. Anong itsura niya? Magsulat nga tayo. Family. Saan ka na? Oh, family board. Ayun. Ano ba? Customize. Diyos ko. Ewan ko dyan. 3.9 dos. Pero, oh, maganda siya. Tingnan mo. Pero may ice maker siya. Tapos ito, adjustable ito. Pwede mo siyang i-flip. Then this one, uy, hindi ko sisirain to. Oh, ganun din siya. Tapos, ayan. Tapos ito yung ice. Maganda.
Hi guys, how are you doing today?
We're good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Fingerprint resistant daw siya.
How can I help you?
We're looking for fridges. Yeah, we're comparing
Sure, which fridge are you looking for?
this one.
This one?
Yeah, but I don't like this. I don't like the freezer.
You don't like the, what about this one? This is a nice freezer.
Yeah, it does. It looks like there's more things that you can put. And this one is the knock-knock as well.
No, this is the actual tablet.
It's an actual tablet.
Yeah, it has everything. You can see inside the fridge.
Yeah, how do you see the inside the fridge? Okay, we'll see. View inside.
You can download the app while doing a grocery. You can see inside the fridge what is sitting in the fridge.
Very cool.
And
Very cool.
You can download any app, whatever you want to do list, whatever you want to do.
And it's 2.8.
2899. When you guys need a fridge, right away or there is time frame?
There is our fridge is still working,
Okay.
but I like that.
Because this one is very good deal right now.
Yeah.
Because this one regular price is. Are you making? Oh, you showing to someone?
No, I'm documenting it. It's $4.99.
Documenting for what?
Your face is not here,
Okay.
so don't worry about it.
Yeah, okay.
So we're comparing prices. We're comparing features.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Samsung is one of the nice fridges.
I see.
So
And
it's-
this one is like, how come this one is more expensive
It's
than
just a
that one?
style.
Oh yeah, this
style.
one is so slick,
Yeah.
kinda. Oh, goodness, eh?